Only a chocolate this pure can be this silky and make you savor, sigh, and melt. Dove Pure Silk Chocolate, now with a tantalizing crunch of almond. My moment, my Dove. Confused about choosing cable or dish? Don't be. AT&T Broadband gives you more. Go with cable and get up to 230 channels on 2 TVs for only $39.99 a month. If you're concerned about your child's nutrition, ask your doctor about Pediasure. It's a complete balanced source of nutrition with protein, vitamins, and minerals growing children need. When I open my sandwich, I like knowing that what's inside is for real. Nothing but 100% marinated chicken breast in every Chicken McGrill. Want to know more? Visit www.mcdonalds.com. Blue skies, yellow lemons, one perfectly refreshing day. Minute Maid lemonade, made with real lemons. Sometimes clothes express how you feel. Sometimes they determine it. Fashion. Some people get it for less. TJ Maxx.